welcome back to all my fans. I am still known by Built by Jake. We have changed the channel to Locally Built Automotive to promote a new brand, but you guys can call me whatever. We're back with the Civic, and we're at 50,000 miles now, which is crazy. So yeah, we're at 50K now, 47,000 miles. Been about 2.5 years, and still here. Figured you guys wanted a quick update on that. I know it's been a while. If you guys follow my threads, you'll know what's been going on. I do post on threads a lot. I will leave the tag if you guys want to follow me on Instagram or threads or both. I prefer both. I'll leave that down in the description below. Let's get started because I ramble a lot. So yeah, first things you guys have been asking me about, which is crazy, is this diffuser. This is the, oh god, I'm about to fall. That's actually the Yofer V1 diffuser, sent to me by Yofer Design for a R&D prototype testing, for a sponsorship. We also got the new HPD badge. I had to put that on myself because the dealer kept messing up. And we're finally HPD. So we got the wing with the HPD package. You get different suspension, different rear sway bar. I'm trying to remember what else. The wing, there is optional front canards, which I didn't get for a reason that you guys will see in a future video, because I haven't ordered that part yet. We also got a bunch of new stuff under the hood, and I know what you guys are going to say about these stickers. Oh, they're spoon sticker, but do you have spoon parts? I do. Well, let's get into that so I can show you guys right now. We got the new spoon oil cap for the 11th gen Civics. This does actually, it's for the Civic Type R, but it also does work for the regular 2.0 as well. I found that out. That was sent to me by Unity Performance, who is now a partner of the channel. We've been through a couple retail stores in the past. Unity Performance has been the best. We highly recommend them here for our channel. They've been great. We bought a lot of our parts from them, and can't recommend them enough. We still have the 271 bar, which I may be swapping out, and we still have the PRL intake, as well as a motor mount that I don't have right now. And we also have, I was going to order the battery tie down, but honestly, with the strut bar in the way, it's not really worth it. But let's talk about this. So as you guys probably know, this is a pre-production model that I've had since I swapped out for my K&N. I actually recommend this one a lot more, though it's been great. I've probably had it for 35,000 miles now, and it's great. I just changed the filter, working very well, been super reliable, whatnot. The car itself has been phenomenal. Really can't complain. The only issue I had, which you guys probably saw on my Instagram, was the battery died. Unfortunately, the batteries don't last more than 2 years, especially in the heat that we have. So that's gonna be a consistent problem. As far as future engine mods, possible downpipe and front pipe swap, maybe some small mounts here and there, a new tune, stuff like that, but we'll get there when we get there. Also, some of you may have seen new license plate declaration. This is also my Instagram if you do want to follow me as well. We go inside. I took off the seat covers due to an ending partnership with the company for certain reasons. I'm not going to be naming that company. For those of you who know, you know. We also have the carbon fiber on all 4 doors. We also have the paddle shifter carbon extensions and the steering wheel carbon. I might get the center console in carbon. I do actually have a couple things to talk about center console. For those of you who had the brake hold button, mine's broken now. I used to use that all the time. Unfortunately, it doesn't work anymore. You know, with higher mileage cars, kind of how it is. And you could see here, I'm almost at 50K, so I will be getting this car serviced soon. But yeah, if you guys were just wondering about the general upkeep with the car, not that much, just oil changes, tires. Oh, speaking of tires, I got new tires. I'm now running the same stock size Firestone Firehawk all-season V2s, the new generation all-season. Great tire, super light steering wheel, very grippy, very good in the rain. We actually had some rain this morning, so I could test it out. Phenomenal, great tires. But yeah, I mean, other than maybe the battery issue and the leaky hatch, the steering rack, I haven't really had any issues with the car as far as like actual mechanical problems. I will give you guys an update at 100,000 miles or 75,000 miles. And yeah, anyway, I do apologize for the long overdue video. Just wanted to wait until I hit 50K. Feel free to follow my Instagram stuff or my social media stuff. I'll leave all that in the description below. Check out Locally Built Automotive before we get everything set up and started for the company. We have new key tags and other merchandise coming out soon. So feel free to hit like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, I'm back.